Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brooke, and today I am going to be doing a lot of organizing. I already started my morning organizing and cleaning things, so I'll show you guys in a minute what I've already done. But my main task for this video is going to be cleaning out my closet. So basically, my closet has become overfilled at best, and it's getting a little ridiculous where I can't even close drawers. I'm running out of hangers and just even hanger space, where even if I were to buy more hangers, it's just gonna add to the problem. So it's time for me to get rid of some things. About 2 months ago, I got rid of an entire, like a 13-gallon trash bag. I filled one of those completely up with donations, and somehow everything's full again. I don't know what's going on. So I didn't feel like I've been buying that much, but maybe it's just over time it's accumulating, and maybe I just hadn't done all my laundry at once or something. So I didn't really realize everything that I had. So today I'm gonna be taking care of that. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe below so you can come along with me on my journey of videos. Okay, so this morning, made the bed, and I'm gonna show you some of the things that I already organized. So this morning, I organized this drawer. So basically, we could not even open or close this drawer. It was crazy. And same with this one. Now it's organized, clutter-free, our game cabinet, and just our random stuff cabinet, but it is no longer messy. Our blanket cabinet, which most of our blankets are being washed right now. And then our towel and candle cabinet. Also washing a bunch of that stuff. But overall, I've been really productive this morning, and yesterday I was too. So, okay, it doesn't look super organized just because we do have a bunch of stuff. I went through everything, got rid of all the expired stuff, and tried to make it so you could actually see everything. And I did the same thing for all of our canned foods, and then we have our water bottles. This one, coffee, and then we have like some fondue stuff. But this was overflowing, just we were shoving things in on every single shelf. It was unreal. Then here we have like our pastas and dry foods, paper plates, straws, utensils, to-go cups, backup Ziplocs, and paper towels. So now all of that is organized. And then the last thing that I had organized yesterday was I went through our snack cabinet. So this entire thing was completely full. In the back corners over there, things were just stuffed behind. This was completely piled where when you would open this, things were just falling out. We had things stuffed all under here and in front, and it was just a mess. So now when you come in here, you can actually see what on earth is going on and what your options are. So before I get started on my busy day, I'm still working on my cup of coffee. I'm gonna make some breakfast so I have some fuel to get me through, and then we'll get started. Delish. All right, so here's what's going on with the closet. All of this, all the way through, is all mine and completely unorganized. Like, look at this. It's in front of things. Like, there's jeans all the way back there, but oh no. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna let it fall. And then, as you can see, like, none of the drawers can completely close, so something needs to happen here. My goal is to get rid of as much stuff as I can and organize this entire thing. It is a mess. I can't find anything, and I'm just really running out of space. And as you can see, look at this bar. Do you see how it's, okay, it's supposed to be all the way up there. Look how much it's drooping. Okay, so I guess we'll just start with what's on the ground here. Gosh, more, oh my gosh. Jeans, non-jean pants. Now we can start to put some skirts over here. Let's start here.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have
Oh, Hakuna Moscato. This is one of my Disneyland shirts. We're keeping that. Oh, mini bar, another Disney shirt, keeping that. Another Disney tank, obviously keeping.
KD24, no sleep, need more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Oh my gosh, this one, my dad for his retirement party in July, his coworkers made this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Oh, Doodle Mama. Yeah, we're keeping this. I love this.
Sit top on the base one, new car, race on, fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another.
And then this, it's like a sequin peplum. Although it's cute, it's just not really my style anymore. So we're gonna get rid of it.
Tour to the other side. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it.
Okay guys, so far we've made quite the difference. So up here in this cubby, we have all the hangers, but other than that, we just have a few items. And look how much more spaced out everything is. So things are looking a lot better in here. Here is everything so far that we are donating. So, oh my gosh. All of this stuff, and I will count it all up at the end, but this enormous pile is everything that's going. This one is still mine, and then I also still need to go through these side of the drawers. Those ones are Darren's. Oh, another shirt we're donating. Whoop. All right, on to the next part. High-waisted jean shorts that I am not gonna wear. A little corduroy skirt. It's all wrinkled, but I recently got that, so we're gonna keep that.
Biden. Everything's been changing, not the same no more. Nothing is the same. Who's to blame? Don't know this game no more.
Okay, next up, PJ pants. Yeah, we're gonna keep those. Oh, Nike spandex. Yeah, we're gonna keep that.
Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talk.
All right, guys, these are all of my extra hangers so far. Look at that. Let's see what we've got. Okay. I have this little knitted jumpsuit that I had worn in my video recently from Hollister. They're like loose joggers. I literally just got these yesterday, so we're gonna keep that. And then with that order, also from Hollister, this little PJ button down. So we're obviously gonna be keeping those. Haven't even worn them yet.
Me, bro, make a noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip was not a new, now looks like, whoa.
This drawer is still pretty darn full, but at least I can close it now. This entire pile just came out of that drawer. I understand why that drawer wasn't closing.
Got no pay, on no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since a fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no. Spend the dough for no.
Okay, we're saving all the bathing suits. All right, then I already know I'm saving the maroon one. Guess I'm saving this one. All right, okay, here's a strappy top. Okay, you know, we're just gonna keep it all. We're gonna keep it all.
It's not a new, now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip was not a new, now looks like.
Okay, so this drawer, although it's still full, at least I can close it now. What? Oh, there we go. I can close it now. Oh, Look at that. Okay, time for this final drawer. This one is my bras and underwear, so I'm gonna do this one off camera, but I will let you guys know how many things I get rid of. Okay, so I just finished. Closes without resistance. So much better. Okay, so I have now gone through all my clothes, and oh my gosh, I've gotten rid of so much stuff. So I'm gonna organize everything that's hanging, and then I'm going to count up all of my donations. This is gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna put all of my jackets and sweatshirts over here, and then like long sleeve and then short sleeve at the end.
You're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you.
Okay, so over here I have my jackets, some blazers, vests, cardigans, sweaters, long sleeves, dresses and rompers, blouses, short sleeve, and then my other shirts. It's still full, but so much less crowded. And then up here, night and day. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. And then look at this mountain of things that I'm donating. Yeah, okay, I'm about to count this up. This is gonna be wild. 2, 3. $119, $120. Guys, 120. Oh my gosh, guys, 120 items. That's crazy. So I'm going to pack all this stuff up for donation, and I honestly thought that I was gonna get like 40 items out of this. I am blown away. I feel so light. I've gotten rid of so much stuff. Really happy I did this. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my closet unload and organization. Seriously, this needed to be done, and I feel so good that it's over with. If you guys like seeing videos like this, like cleaning or like tackling big tasks, please let me know in the comments below, or just click like so I know that you guys are enjoying this type of content. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe below. That's all I have for you today. Thank you guys again so much for joining me for this video, and I will see you next week.